Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share latest job openings from Cadeploy located in Chennai. So they are conducting mega walk-in drive on 23rd and 24th April from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So as you can see here, they are hiring SDS2 and Techla professionals for the following positions like General Manager, Assistant General Manager, Senior Project Manager, Project Lead, Senior Checkers, a senior modeler, senior detailers and retailers. So these are the job vacancies available, and if you want to apply for any of the job role, you can drop your resume on these mail IDs, and if you have any queries, you can reach out to them with the given contact numbers. And also, like, the address details are mentioned here, you can please go through with that, and the interviews would be by appointments only. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.